Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see the modifying virtual machine. So this is the dashboard, Google dashboard. This is the Google dashboard navigation menu I am clicking. So now we are going to create the virtual machine now. So go to the compute engine. So here we have to click the compute engine. So we are going to create the virtual machine now. After that we are going to modify that virtual machine. Same virtual machine we are going to modify it. So there is no VM instance now. Now I am going to create a new instance now. Create instance now. Just click create instance. So we have to fill this form. Yeah. So name is a permanent instance name. I am giving the same name only, instance hyphen one, and region which is a permanent. Then we can select as per our requirement. So now this is for our training purpose. I am putting the same only. So then the general purpose, yeah, mission type, and I am clicking create now. The instance is creating now. Instance hyphen one, it is creating. Status is showing like it's loading. Status is loading. It will take less than 1 minute only, friends, not more than 1 minute. So status is showing now running. So you can see the status, it is showing as running. It is like a green color tick mark. So then instance one, we have to click the name under the instance one. So we are going to edit that VM. So before doing that, just we will check, we will see these things, which machine type, and we have that creation time, and we have the external IP, and we have the internal IP, and we have these firewalls, and we have the deletion protection and scheduled. Yeah, now I am going to edit the VM so that you can see which we can edit, which we can't edit. Machine type, we must stop the VM instance to edit its machine type. So before modifying the machine type, we have to stop the VM instance to edit its machine type. So that's what they are saying here. Machine type, we must stop the VM instance. So if you are stopping the instance, definitely that website will not run. Some issue it will down. So zone US central known, I have already we have updated, but zone we can't edit. Once the instance is created, then we can't edit the zone. So before creating the instance, we have to specify the zone. After creating the instance, once, for example, we can't change the zone once the instance is created. So that's what the Google rules is, Google Cloud rule. And next we can edit the firewalls, we can modify the firewalls, whether we can check or uncheck, allow HTTP traffic, allow HTTPS traffic, and we can enable the protection, enable deletion protection. When deletion protection is enabled, we can't delete the instance cannot be deleted. Now I am unchecking this enable deletion protection. We can't delete. Enable deletion protection. When deletion protection is enabled, instance cannot be deleted. We can't delete the instance. That's what they have given this option. In most interview, they are asking the same question only about the deletion protection. So you should remember that one. So availability policies, preemptability of recommended, and preemptability I have already explained about in my previous video theory part. I think 3 4 videos before compute engine part 1 I have uploaded, so you can see that one. I have clearly explained about that one. Then on host maintenance also we have. So now I am going back again. Okay, just we will see which we can edit, which we can't edit, like that. Then you can see this preemptability, it is half only we have selected. And one more thing, preemptability also we can't edit it. Okay friends, so when we are creating the VM, that time only we can edit it. And automatic restart, we can modify it after creating the instance also. Preemptability we can't edit after creating an instance. before creating an instance, that time only we can set this property, I mean availability policies, preemptability of recommend, I mean on or off. That time only when we are creating that virtual machine, that time only we can do these things. So about preemptability, we are going to discuss something about preemptability. So what is a preemptability? Even though I have already explained it, but those who have not know, I am going to explain it again. Preemptible instance, it is much cheaper than regular compute engine instance, but might be terminated preempted at any time if compute engine needs the resources. It is used for fault tolerant applications processing only node in Hadoop cluster. It will definitely be terminated after running for 24 hours. Probability of termination varies by day or zone, etc. It cannot live migrate, stay alive during updates or auto restart on maintenance. So if you do decide to use a preemptible VM instance, what precautions should you take? So if how to answer this means like preemptible VM instances can be an economical option. It makes sense to use them in certain use cases, but if you do decide to use preemptible VM instances, be careful that you specify whatever cleanup operations you would like in the shutdown script. And remember that a VM instance can be preempted by the Google Cloud Platform at the 30-second notice, and in that case, it's content of the shutdown script that are going to be executed. So put all of your cleanup operations in that shutdown script and ensure that it finishes successfully inside within a 30 seconds. So that's what the preemptible instance. So next we have this on-host maintenance. That on-host maintenance we have migrate VM instance that is recommended here, and one more thing we have the automatic restart also. We can edit after creating the VM also. This automatic restart on is recommended, and service account. So service account, it's a common account for everyone on this project. Service account, it is a common account for everyone on this project. Already I have explained about the service account in separate video. If you have not seen that video, you go and see that service account video, separate video I have uploaded it already. Then we are going to see this machine type. Already I have told, right, we can't edit the machine type. We have to stop the machine VM instance to edit its machine type. This one we will do it later. In this demo we are going to do that one. Okay, so next what we are going to see means boot disk also. We must stop the VM instance to attach or detach a boot disk. So now I am going to just edit that one again. We will try to check that one whether what is that one option. So here we have the instance one name, and we must stop the VM instance to attach or detach a boot disk. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say. And about this boot disk, no need to worry about it. We are going to see in our upcoming videos about the persistent disk. In that persistent disk I'm going to explain clearly in our separate video. I'm going to upload that one, no need to worry about it. So about next we have to see yes, here we have the cloud API access. So we have to stop the cloud API access. So we must stop. For example, we have to edit the cloud API access. We must stop that VM virtual machine. We have to stop the virtual machine instance to edit its API access scopes, cloud API access scopes. Here you can see allow default access. It is BigQuery admin, and cloud big table data, storage, stack driver. So for these cloud API access scopes, we must stop the VM instance to edit its API access scopes. That's what the Google says that. And here if you are seeing these firewalls also, we can edit it, allow HTTP traffic and allow HTTPS traffic. So here they have given these firewalls. And next thing I would like to tell about on host maintenance. Yes, on host maintenance, that is actually on host maintenance, we have a migrate VM instance that is recommended. We can shut down that VM or we can migrate VM instance. We have two options, but recommended is we can migrate VM instance. We can't use that one, right? We can shut down that VM. So there is two options. Okay, done. Next I'm going to edit the VM now. Just we are checking each and everything. Now what I will try to do means I'm trying to edit the machine type only. So how to do that, we are going to see that one. So I'm trying to edit the machine type. So what we have to do, we must stop the VM virtual machine. We have to stop. So before editing that, we have to stop the virtual machine. Okay, next just I'm clicking this one only. Yeah, firewall also we can edit it. Okay, fine, already we have seen, right? Okay, now we are going to stop that VM. So I am going to that VM instance part. That VM is running now. Now I am going to stop the VM. So right now, yeah, stop shutdowns the instance. I am stopping the VM. If for example, if we have launched any website, it won't run, right? It won't work. But I didn't do that. In our previous video we have launched the website. Now the instance is stopping now. It will take less than 1 minute only, friends. Remember friends, if you are running any website through this VM, if we stop that VM, definitely the website will down for few minutes, right? So these things, it's a basic thing only, because that instance is running via that one only, that website only. That instance, that website is running via this instance only. Okay, now we are going to edit that machine type. So this is, you can see friends, now it is enabled, right? Many machine configuration, machine family, and see I'm changing the machine type to E2 small, and series also I'm selecting N2. Just I'm saving that one, updating the instance now. Just for our training purpose I'm doing this, and as per our requirement we can do. Okay, so now it is saving. Now this, we are modifying the VM, or we are updating the VM, we are editing the VM. Yeah, fine. Then yes, now we have successfully updated the machine type. Then now the status is showing stop only. Now I have to restart the VM. So how to do that? Just click the start or resume. Start resume will be built for this instance while it is running. Are you sure want to? Yes, I have clicked. Now the instance is starting now. The instance is stopped right now, but it is starting, restarting again. Let's see. Then after that the status it will show running, that green color and tick mark it will come. So starting the instance, definitely it will take only less than 1 minute only, friends, not more than 1 minute. So less than 1 minute only. Now instance created, instance started, the instance is running right now. Instance is running right now. We have successfully modified the instance machine type, right? We have successfully modified the machine type, friends. Thanks a lot, friends. We have done the demo today, and now I am going to delete the VM now. Are you sure want to delete the instance? So don't forget to delete the instance, friends, so that I mean they won't charge it, right? Yes, they won't charge it. Thanks a lot, friends. Have a great day. In our upcoming videos, we are going to see the persistent disk. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.